Good day, everyone. Welcome to Webicon 2025. By the way, my name is Judy Ann Tukib. I completed my undergraduate studies at Bukidnon State University, and I am currently pursuing my master's degree at Lourdes College in Cagayan de Oro. It is my honor and pleasure to be part of this Webicon research presentation. I look forward to sharing my work and learning from the insights of fellow researchers. Thank you for this opportunity. I am presenting my study entitled Self-Determination, Quality of Coaching, and Counterproductive Use of Technology as Critical Factors of ECE Pre-Service Teachers' Readiness to Teach. The reason I conducted this study is that many pre-service teachers today struggle with classroom readiness. This became more visible during and after the pandemic, where motivation dropped, coaching became limited, and technology, though helpful, was often misused. These challenges are real for ECE students at one of the local college in Bukidnon, and there is a need to better understand what truly prepares them to teach. The rationale. This study explores key factors that influence the readiness of ECE pre-service teachers to teach in today's learning environments. Self-determination fuels their motivation and persistence in learning to teach. Quality of coaching builds their confidence and strengthens teaching skills. Meanwhile, the counterproductive use of technology can disrupt focus and hinder professional growth. By understanding these factors, the study aims to help improve teacher future educators are better equipped for the classroom. Th- This study is anchored on four key theories. First, self-determination theory by Tiba and Condi 2020 explain how motivation, autonomy, and competence drive pre-service teachers' readiness to teach. Second, attribution theory by Bernard Weiner, 2020, help us understand how teachers explain their success and failures, which affects their efforts and persistence. Third, the technology acceptance model by Fred Davis guides how pre-service teachers perceive and accept technology and education. Lastly, technology integration in teaching and learning by Algamdi et al. 2022 highlights the importance of using digital tools effectively to enhance teaching practices. Together, these theories provides a strong foundation for analyzing the factors that influence teaching readiness. So, my research objectives, this study aims to determine the influence of self-determination, coaching quality of coaching, and counterproductive use of technology on readiness to teach among ECE pre-service teachers at the local college in Bukidnon. It seeks to identify which factor most significantly affects their teaching readiness. This study was a descriptive correlational research designed to explore the relationships between self-determination, quality of coaching, counterproductive use of technology, and teaching readiness. The participants are 124th year students enrolled in Bachelor in Early Childhood Education program at a local community college in Bukidnon during school year 2024-2025. This study uses validated questionnaires to measure key variables. Self-determination is assessed using the psychological need satisfaction and frustration scale, which measures autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Coaching quality is satisfaction. It's measured during research satisfaction with a coach tool, focusing on guidance and feedback and support. Structured items based on existing literature will assess counterproductive use of technology and teaching readiness. For data analysis, descriptive statistics, mean, standard deviation, and frequency distribution will summarize responses. Person correlation analysis will examine relationship between variables and multiple regression. Regression analysis will determine the most significant predictors of teaching readiness. This approach helps clarify how each factor influences pre-service teachers' preparedness to teach. The finding reveals that the ECE pre-service teachers have a high level of self-determination, with an overall mean score of 3.98 and a standard deviation of 0.49. This indicates strong motivation and empowerment in their future teaching roles. About 70.83% of participants reported feeling competent, confident, and autonomous in making decisions related to their teaching methods and classroom management. These results suggest that the majority respondents have developed a sense of personal agency, which is vital for effective teaching. Their ability to take initiative and adapt challenges provides a strong foundation for professional growth and readiness to teach. This high level of self-determination supports the idea that when pre-service teachers feel empowered, they are more likely to persist through challenges and stay committed on their teaching career. For the problem number 2, the result shows that participants rated the quality of coaching they receive as high, with a mean of 4.36 and a standard deviation of 0.55. This indicates that ECE pre-service teachers are experienced, effective, and supportive coaching throughout their training. Mentors and instructors played a crucial role in preparing them for real classroom environments, offering guidance in key areas such as classroom management, teaching strategies, lesson planning, and assessment. The positive things highlight the importance of coaching in shaping future educators. A strong mentoring helps pre-service teachers build confidence and develop the necessary skills to succeed in the classroom. So for the problem number 3, the data shows a mean score of 2.69 for counterproductive use of technology, indicating a moderate level of inappropriate use. The standard deviation of 0.83 suggests that most participants had similar responses, with little variation in the reported use of technology. This moderate level of counterproductive use reflects a shared pattern in behavior. Further exploration of the factors contributing to this will help address the issue and improve technology usage for better productivity. And now for the participants' level of readiness to teach. Let's now look at the participants' level of readiness to teach. The overall mean score is a 4.24, indicating a high level of readiness. Additionally, the standard deviation is 0.51, suggesting that the responses are quite consistent with minimal variation among participants. This data reflects that the participants possess the necessary skills, strong pedagogical knowledge, and confidence in managing classrooms. They are well prepared to deliver quality instruction that enhances student learning. This high level of readiness is crucial in ensuring effective teaching outcomes. Regarding the regression analysis, the results indicate a significant relationship between self-determination and the participants' readiness to teach, with a moderate positive relationship. Similarly, teachers' quality of coaching shows a strong positive and significant relationship. However, The counterproductive use of technology was found to have no significant impact, suggesting it does not influence readiness to teach in this context. So, in conclusion, this study explored the key factors influencing the readiness of early childhood education pre-service teachers towards teaching. Specifically, it focused in their self-determination, the quality of coaching they receive, and their perceived counterproductive use of technology. The findings reveal that both self-determination and the quality of coaching significantly contribute to their readiness to teach. With moderate, strong, positive relationship, however, the counterproductive use of technology was found to have no significant. These insights underscore the importance of fostering self-determination and providing high quality of coaching to enhance pre-service teachers' preparedness for effective teaching in early childhood education. So here is my recommendation. Here is the recommendation of my study for the school administrators. They may strengthen programs that support trainings, workshops designed to enhance self-determination, and develop a structured mentoring program that will motivate students. And for the ECE teachers, they may employ teaching strategies that support autonomy and motivate ECE pre-service teachers to prepare for the teaching profession, and provide coaching initiative that creates learning from the experiences of their mentors and promote smart and productive application of technology. For the pre-service teachers, they may participate in various programs and activities, including but not limited smart use of technology that hone their skills and values as future teachers. For the future researchers, they may conduct similar that explore other key factors that influence or affect pre-service readiness and conduct a research on much longer terms or duration to determine the new trends in teaching preschoolers, which may lead to the development of new teaching framework. So here is my selected references. So teachers' readiness is shaped by many factors, not just knowledge, but mindset and habits. Motivation and proper guidance are essential for future teachers to grow effectively. Technology must be used with discipline too, so learning is supported, not distracted from. Balanced development leads to better educators. Thank you, everyone, and God bless.